Best 20 Maya Angelou Quotes. Maya Angelou was an American memoirist, poet, and civil rights activist. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. We may encounter many defeats, but we must not be defeated. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. You alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anybody. We delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. I can be changed by what happens to me, but I refuse to be reduced by it. Love recognizes no barriers. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive at its destination full of hope. I've learned that making a living is not the same thing as making a life. Whatever you want to do, if you want to be great at it, you have to love it and be able to make sacrifices for it. If you're always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. The desire to reach for the stars is ambitious. The desire to reach hearts is wise. Develop enough courage so that you can stand up for yourself and then stand up for somebody else. The problem I have with haters is that they see my glory, but they don't know my story. A wise woman wishes to be no one's enemy. A wise woman refuses to be anyone's victim. You may not be able to control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. I have found that among its other benefits, giving liberates the soul of the giver. Let gratitude be the pillow upon which you kneel to say your nightly prayer.